In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Elementor. If you're new to Elementor or just want a refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll take you through these steps in a clear, easy-to-understand way so you can start creating links on your Elementor pages like a pro. First things first, let's talk about the layout you'll be working with. You'll want to start by dragging a text editor widget onto your page. This is essentially the building block for your text content, providing a space where you can type, style, and manipulate text however you see fit. It's as simple as locate it within the Elementor panel, click on it, and drag it over to the desired spot on your page. Now, let's follow up by linking some text. It's likely that you'll want certain parts of your text to serve as links to other parts of your site or even external websites. So go ahead and highlight the text you want to link. By clicking and dragging your cursor over the specific words or phrases, you'll prepare this text for further actions. Think carefully here about what you want to turn into a link. This is a key step because a strategically placed link is great for guiding visitors to important content or additional resources you want them to see. Once you've highlighted your text, direct your attention to the toolbar that pops up just above. You'll see several icons there, but right now, our focus is the link icon, which typically resembles a small chain link. Click on this icon to open up the options for turning your selected text into a hyperlink. The next action is entering the URL you want your selected text to link to. Simply paste the URL into the field provided. It's good practice to double-check the web address to ensure it's accurate and functional before proceeding. Accuracy here is essential, not only to ensure users end up at the right location, but also to sustain a professional-looking website. One of the technical considerations you might want to bear in mind is whether the link should open in a new tab. For links leading away from your site, opening in a new tab can be a handy feature, keeping visitors in your space while they explore further. You can enable this by clicking on the cog icon next to the URL field, which presents you with the option to toggle Open in New Tab. Once everything looks good, it's time to hit Apply. This confirms your settings and actualizes the link on your page, but before you call it a day, head over to the Elementor panel and click Update. This crucial step ensures all your hard work is saved, safeguarding your new link and any other changes you've implemented. And there you have it. Linking in Elementor is a straightforward yet powerful tool in your website building arsenal. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to create efficient, user-friendly links with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.